The V810VD is designed to provide businesses with a robust 4G LTE internet gateway solution. Offering voice capabilities, data access, and Wi-Fi support, this device has built-in RJ11 and RJ45 ports, external antenna support, and high-speed Cat4 LTE connectivity. The V810VD ensures reliable performance whether for essential phone lines or fixed wireless internet access. The V810VD offers high-speed data access, with download speeds of up to 150 megabytes and upload speeds of up to 50 megabytes. This device supports up to 15 users and configuration for 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. With advanced security, the V810VD includes features like Secure Boot, MAC filtering, and VPN pass-through to ensure a secure connection. Designed as a POTS replacement, this device provides traditional analog line capabilities while leveraging the advanced 4G LTE technology. The V810VD has a very specific use case. Some use cases are emergency communication phone lines and elevator phones. We recommend working with an ATEL representative or one of our partners to make sure you find the best product for your specific needs. In case of emergencies, the V810VD has a 2500 milliamp nickel metal hydride backup battery that provides usage time of up to 4 hours and 36 hours of standby time. All these unique features can be managed through the individual Web GUI dashboard for the device or remotely configured through ATRACS, ATEL's remote management platform. For more information about the V810VD, check out our website under products or reach out to the ATEL team to see if you're looking for a robust 4G fixed wireless POTS solution.